my eyes you cannot see, they know that you are all staring at me. Why are you whispering to one another? Why? Did you know my mother? Did you know my father? Did you know me 5 years ago? Yes, 5 years of bitterness have passed. I can still remember the vast happiness that my mother and I have shared with each other. We were very happy indeed. And suddenly, 5 loud knocks were heard from the door, and a deep silence ensued. Did the cruel Nippons discover their peaceful home? Mother ran towards father's side, pleading, "Please, Luis, hide in the cellar. There in the cellar where they cannot find you." They hold my father's arm, but he's not moving. It seemed like his feet were glued to the floor. The door went bang, and before us, 5 ugly beasts came barging in. "Are you Captain Luis Santos?" roared the ugliest of them all. "Yes," said my father. "You are under arrest," said one of the beasts. They pulled father roughly away from us. He was not given a chance to bid us goodbye. We followed them mile after mile. We were so hungry and thirsty. We saw Japanese people eating. Oh, how our mouths watered seeing the delicious foods they were eating. Then suddenly, we heard the voice call, "Consuelo! Oscar! Consuelo! Oscar!" Ran towards the direction of the voice. It was too late. We saw father running on a tree. Dead. It was terrible. He had been badly beaten before he died. They cried out, "Vengeance! Vengeance!" Everything went black. The next thing I knew, I was nursing my poor invalid mother. One day, we heard the church bell ringing. Ding dong, ding dong. It was time for us to find shelter in or hideout. But I could not leave my mother alone. I tried to show her the way out to the hideout. Then suddenly, bombs started falling. Airplanes were roaring overhead. Canyons firing from everywhere. Boom, boom, boom. Mother was hit. Her legs were shattered to pieces. I took her in my arms gently and cried, "And now vengeance! Vengeance!" "No, Oscar. Vengeance is not ours. It's God's." But I cried out, "Vengeance!" It was like a pet volcano. The next thing I knew, I was nursing my poor invalid mother. "No, Oscar. Vengeance is not ours." These were the words from my mother's mouth before she died. To forgive is divine, but vengeance is sweeter. My mother is dead and I was blind. Vengeance is not ours. That was 5 years ago. 5 years. Alms, alms, alms. Spare me a piece of bread. Spare me your mercy. I'm a child so young, so thin, and so ragged. Vengeance is not ours. It's God's.